Unbreakable, driven by Brett Miller. 4 is Deer's Prodigy, owned by Kathy Hawk. Dave Hawk will be aboard. 5 is Zedat Sammys, owned by Richard Slaughter. David Myers in the bike. 6, Rich Pick, owned by Eddie George, driven by Jeff Fout. 7 is V-Mart Bob, owned by Bob Lowry and Virgil Morgan Jr. with David Miller. And number 8, 2-Bit Die Job, owned by Charles Autry. Elliott Deaton will be in the sulky. 6 minutes till post. Field 4, race 7 is at the gate and moving through. Field is now in motion. And there they go. They're off and pacing. 2-Bit Die Job never caught the gate. 1, Gem Dandy is off stride. Rich Pick takes the lead. Best of the class along the rail. There goes V-Mart Bob with a rush on the far outside from 3rd. Deer's Prodigy settles into 4th. Zedat Sammys is into 5th as they move to the quarter-mile pole. 2-Bit Die Job and far back, 7th and last Gem Dandy. 6 are now settled down by the opening quarter here in a quick 27 2/5. Moving past the stands, V-Mart Bob on top. Best of the class drives to command on the outside. Best of the class goes on. V-Mart Bob lets him go without too much of a tussle. 2nd. Here's Deer's Prodigy swinging up on the outside. 3rd. Rich Pick in 4th. Zedat Sammys 5th. 2-Bit Die Job 6th and Gem Dandy. Around the paddock turn, action continues. Up top by an easy length and a half at the half-mile pole in 56 3 is Best of the Class. Deer's Prodigy, the computer pick on the outside 2nd, followed by the favorite V-Mart Bob in the pocket 3rd. Up the backstretch, Rich Pick a closer 4th. From the back here, Zedat Sammys underway, 2-Bit Die Job and Gem Dandy. As they race into 3/4, Deer's Prodigy has opened up 4 lengths. V-Mart Bob comes back on the attack 2nd. 2-Bit Die Job from the back of the pack. Nearest the rail, that's Best of the Class giving way. Between horses, Zedat Sammys and Rich Pick. Gem Dandy trails at a quick 1:26. Moving around the far turn, Deer's Prodigy continues to lead the way. V-Mart Bob in the center. Zedat Sammys between horses. 2-Bit Die Job continues a steady gain on the far outside, but there's no catching this guy tonight. It's Deer's Prodigy. 2-Bit Die Job will get along 2nd. Zedat Sammys 3rd in 1:56. Here comes winner of tonight's 7th race. It's now official. Winner is number 4, Deer's Prodigy, a 6-year-old bay son of Silent Majority out of Yes Deer. Owned in Orient by our parade marshal and outrider Kathy Hawk. Trained by Lloyd Hawk. Driven tonight by David Hawk. To cover the mile here in 1:56. For Deer's Prodigy, the winner of the 7th race. The 4-8 exacta returning 1:09.40. The try 6:36.40. $5,800 in tomorrow night's twin trifecta carryover as the Ohio State Fair Stakes continues. Windows are now open on race 8, Ohio State Fair Stakes for 3-year-old trotting fillies, 2nd division. Field of 7, post time in just 12 minutes at 9:44. Rundown, Gem Dandy 7th, Buckeye Cy was scratched. Best of the Class 6th, Deer's Prodigy the winner. Zedat Sammys 3rd, Rich Pick 5th, V-Mart Bob 4th.